Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a modern food poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. First, go to the Type tool and type the text. Change its case to upper. And font to Placard Condense. Right-click on it and choose Create Outline. Go to the Direct Selection tool, and draw a rectangle to make a selection of the anchor points. Hold the Shift button to minus these 2 points. And drag it down. Here, I need some adjustments to the letter A. Follow the process. Then go to the File menu and Place. Select the image and click on the Place button. Apply the color to the text using the eyedropper tool. Go to the Ellipse tool and draw a circle. Increase its size a bit. And change its color to white. Right-click on it, Arrange, and send backward. Select both and adjust the size. Draw a curved line to complete the B letter, using the Pen tool. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it. Select both and press Ctrl+J twice to join them. Change the outline to fill. Now it's time to add other text. Follow my text settings. Lock the image. Select the white circle. Copy it. and paste it in front. Then go to the Object menu, Text Wrap, and Make. Change the circle color to none. Go to the File menu again and place. Hold the Control button to select the images and click on the Place button. Follow my placement process. Select these PNGs, go to the Effect menu, Blur, and Radial Blur. Finally, place the texture image. Adjust its size. And change the blend mode to multiply. Go to the View menu, and click on Trim View. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.